Hey guys, I'm Tanizi. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be talking about how to be consistent in creating content. So today I'm going to be talking about 3 strategies that I use and that you could use for yourself to help you to create more content and be consistent. The first strategy that helped me to create content and post consistently is batch creation. So I work almost 7 days a week most of the time. What I do is whenever I decide to create content, I have to do my hair, my makeup. So that is a lot of work and a lot of effort that I'm putting into getting ready. So when I do decide to do content, I make sure that I'm in the right headspace so that I'm able to not only make one video, but multiple videos that I can be able to use throughout the week because I don't have time to make content every day. I feel like that's a better use of my time. If I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup, I need to be able to make multiple videos just to have something to use when I'm busy and doing other things, so that when it's time for me to post, I just have that video and I can post it right away. The second strategy that I use to post consistently is have a passion for what I'm doing. If I don't like it, it's like a chore for me. It's gonna be so hard to get me to be consistent because I just wouldn't see the reason why, So for me, if I'm creating content, I have to like the video that I'm making, or just like the topic around the video that I'm making, or it has to be something that I'm already doing, something that I usually do, something that's normal for me. That way, it doesn't feel like I'm being forced to do it. Once in a while, if you do a video here and there, that's fine. But if it's something that you're gonna do and do it on a consistent base, then you have to be able to do something that you love. That way, it doesn't feel like work. It doesn't feel like you're being forced to do it. The next strategy that I use is planning ahead. I love to plan ahead of time, especially when it comes to content. I believe in making the most of my time. So if I'm gonna make a video, I'm gonna go on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram and kind of look for some inspiration video already that's made, or just look for ideas and write it down before I can actually sit down and do my video. Most of the time I write a script. I don't ever stick to the script, but it makes me feel better because then I know ahead of time what I'm gonna say, how I'm gonna say it. It helps my nerves because I am so nervous when it comes to talking in camera. So it helps me relax just knowing that, okay, I know what I'm going to say and I know how I'm going to say it. I have to make sure I have enough ideas to do multiple videos, so that way that when I'm ready to shoot a video, I can do multiple different types of videos or multiple of the same types of video. But at least I know that when it's time for me to post, I will have enough videos to post for the whole week. It helps me stay consistent, that I'm not using all my free time when I'm off work to make content, because it's really hard to make time for yourself when you're spending your free time constantly making content. I know a lot of people think that creating videos is easy, but it's actually not. It's a lot of work and a lot of effort that goes into it. So if I'm gonna do that, I just want to do it one time and forget about it and have the rest of my time to do whatever else that I want to do. So those are the strategies that I've been using so far, and it has helped me be consistent on TikTok, and now I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube. Hopefully those strategies will help you if you try to use them as well. If you have any comments or questions, let me know and I'll answer them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!